To make ginger oil, you will need some fresh ginger and a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. But today I'm going to be using olive oil. I'm going to be starting by washing, peeling and grating the ginger. Making ginger oil at home is super easy, and it's a great way to ensure that you're using natural, chemical-free ingredients on your hair. Next, I'm going to heat up my pan and then pour some olive oil. I'm going to be using 1 cup of olive oil. I am going to heat up the oil and add the grated ginger. This process has to be done on a low heat, and you have to stir the ginger occasionally for it has to be on the heat on the stove for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, I'm going to turn off the heat and let the oil cool for some minutes, maybe about 15 minutes or thereabout. And then I'm going to pour the oil into a wig cap. I'm going to be using a wig cap today. You can try to use a cheesecloth or a mesh strainer to strain out the oil. Next, I'm going to pour it into a bottle to store it. You can store this oil for about 6 months. To use this oil, apply it on your scalp and just massage it for some minutes. You can leave it for like 1 hour or overnight if possible, and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. Just